Hi, good morning to all. Today we are discussing about reflection of light at curved surfaces. Today we are discussing about the sign convention for parameter related to the mirror. So how can we can follow the sign convention parameters? Listen here. So if you take any concave mirror or convex mirror, so it is middle point that is the geometrically identified pole. It is the principal axis. The near of the spot of the pole it is focal length and center of curvature. First one is the what is the sign convention for the parameter. So here the first point is all the distances. All the distances measures should be from the pole. What is the first point? All the distances measured should be from the pole. That is the first point. And the second one is, so here one is a incident ray. So it is an incident ray. So every incident ray, so that is the distance measured in the direction of incident. The distance measured in the direction of incident light. That's why we are taken to be positive. Taken to be positive. And another one, every incident ray, what should we have? Will get a reflected ray. So reflected ray. So it is opposite to the incident ray. We are taking negative. So that is taken to be negative. So that is the second point. What is the first point? All the distance should be measured from the pole. That is first point. And second point, incident ray. So that is the distance measured of direction of incident light. That's why we are taking positive. And opposite to that incident ray. That means reflected ray. That's why we are taken to be negative. So one more thing here, and another one is it is principal axis. On a principal axis, I have to take one object. So this is the one object. So for example, the height of object, So we are represented h0, height of object s0, and height of image, we are taking hi. So on a principal axis, above the any values we are taking the sign convention of concave mirror. That's why we are taking positive. Means the principal axis above the values are any having the object or whatever it may be. That's why we are taking positive. The downward of the principal axis we are taking negative. So means upward of the principal axis we are taking positive. Downward of the principal axis we are taking negative. So if any object is having on principal axis, that object how we are taking, it is upward of the principal axis. That's why we are taking positive. Downwards of the principal axis we are taking negative. So these are our sign convention parameters. So here how many rules are we have 3. So these 3 rules are we have to follow. Will express next topic of magnification. So here it is what is that? It is a concave mirror. So on a concave mirror it is a pole, it is principal axis, and it is a focal length and a center of curvature. See here on a principal axis we are taking one object. That object is O dash. O dash is the object. The object is here the coming from the ray. O dash coming from the ray. That ray is nothing but an incident ray. So how it is incident ray? It is parallel to the principal axis. So every incident ray will get reflected. So the reflected ray is passed through the focal length. And one more thing, here another one incident ray. The incident ray strike on the specific point, that is pole. Every incident ray will get reflected. So here, so it is every incident and reflected. These two reflected rays, it is the intersection point is here. So that's why here I dash. Here we have to formed image. So it is a formed inverted image. That is I dash. Object is O dash. Image is I dash. So incident angle theta. If it is incident theta, what is the reflected? At the same angle. So that's why reflection also theta. So that is the information here. So first one is the coming from the O dash. It is the incident. So from the incident on the strike on the pole, at a pole. So that is the angle of incident. So angle of incident is equal to how much? Theta. So get reflected also theta. So here how many right angle triangles here? 2. So what are they? One is 2 right angle triangles here. That is POO dash. POO dash. This is the one right angle triangle. And another one is here another right angle triangle. It is PI dash. Why we are writing here P? So according to sign convention, first all the distance we are measured from the P. All the distance we are measured from the P. That's why we are taking P. PO dash. It is one right angle triangle. And another one is PI dash. It is another one right angle triangle. So here, according to sign convention rules, we are applied to here. That is, first one is here. Object is here O dash. O dash. According to sign conventional rules, so here how many objective distance is here, image distance is here, object height is here, and image height is also here. So how can we take up here? So that's why here h is equal objective distance HO. So the HO here we are taking minus H0. And object height image HI is equal. So here minus HI. So V is equal to image distance minus U is equal to object distance. Also here minus. According to sign convention law, we have to apply to that. That is one I. That is a right angle triangle. I dash is divided by O dash. I dash is divided by O dash, and another one is equal PI is equal to PO. PI is equal to PO. So how can we write I dash is equal to O dash? I dash is the image height. O dash is the height of initial object. O dash initial object height. I dash formed the image height of the image. And PI means P from I. It is image distance. P and O object distance. According to sign convention law, we are applied to that. Here we have to write PO. So what is here? What we have here? PO here. PO. PO means P from O. P from O. So it is object distance. Object distance we are taking always U we are represented. And another one is PI. PI is nothing but it is an image distance. So we are applied to that sign convention minus. And one more thing here I dash. I dash means what is that here? I dash. I dash is represented the image of height. The image of height. So that's why here we are taking the image height HI. So that is also minus. And another one is O dash. O dash is equal to HO. So we are applied to that. We are substituting this one in this one. So what we get? See here I dash. What is the I dash? Minus hi is divided by O dash. HO is equal Pi. What is the Pi? Minus V is divided by PO. PO means minus V. So here minus minus get cancelled. Finally, so it is nothing but it is a magnification. So magnification is equal Hi by H0 is equal to minus V by U. So according to formula, what we get of magnification? Magnification is nothing but the ratio of image distance and object distance is called magnification. It is nothing but the ratio of object height and image height, that is called magnification. So it is the topic of magnification. According to how can we take U, V, I and O. So these are all sign conventional rules. So why we are taking here U, V values minus. So here object distance according to we are applied to the sign convention minus minus. And here image distance below the principal axis means downward of the principal axis, that's why we are taking minus. So above the object, that's why we are taking plus. And so go through the one example problem, very important in examination point of view, based on concave mirror and convex mirror. So let's see that first you are understanding the question. See here, first one, find the distance of image. What we are finding? Find the distance of image. And what we are giving in this question, first one is here, when the object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeter, it is nothing but object distance. And another one is given to in the question, radius of curvature 8 centimeters. So here, according to question what we are given. So first you are writing given data. So here first the object distance is given. So object distance is equal to how much? 10 centimeter is given. And the radius of curvature. So radius of curvature means R is given. So R is equal to what we are given? 8 centimeter. So what we are finding? If V is we are finding. So here it is concave or convex mirror. So it is a concave mirror. So here it is a concave mirror. So concave mirror. So here we are taking first one is here the what is the formula? So what is the formula of mirror? So mirror formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So which mirror? It is a concave mirror. So according to concave mirror sign convention rules, U value always we are taking object distance negative, and F value we are taking always negative. And one more thing here, V is equal. V is if we will get a negative value, that is real and inverted. So if you V value if it is positive, that is virtual or erect. So you have to keep in your mind sign convention rules of concave mirror. So now we are applied to here. So what is the F is given in that question? No. So it is relation, we know that. So that is R is equal to 2F. So in the question 8 is given. So 8 is equal to 2F. So then F is equal to what will write? 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but 8 2 1 2 4. So 4 is given. So we are obtained that 4. So again we are substituting here 1 by F. F is equal to how much here? 4. And 1 by U. U is equal to how much? 10. And V. So here sign convention rule, U value always we are taking minus, V value, F value we are taking minus. So the left side, the right side of the 1 by 10 we are taking left side. So then we can write 1 by V is equal So here you know the LCM of 4 comma 10. The LCM of 4 comma 10, 2 5s are. So answer is 20. So here LCM is 20. 20 how many times it will go? 4 5s are. And 10 how many times it will go? 2 times. So here 7 by 20. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by V is equal to 7 by 20. Then V by 1 is equal to 20 by 7. 20 by 7. So 20 by 7 is nothing but 20 by 7. So here according to convention rule we are taking minus 5 plus 2. So minus 5 plus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 3. So here 3. So here 20 by 3. So 20 is divisible by 3. How much the value of minus 6.67. So here we are taking minus 6.67. So the V value we are getting minus or plus value. So minus. So if it is the image distance we will get minus value. That is characteristics of concave mirror. That is real and image, real and inverted images. Inverted image is formed. So one see here, according to sign convention law, concave mirror U value negative, F value negative, V value. If it is we are obtained minus value, that is real and image. If it is positive, which one and erect. So according to we know the relation between the radius of curvature and focal length, R is equal to F. So finally we are obtained that F is equal to 4. Then we are substituting this formula, mirror formula. Finally we get LCM minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 by 2. So we required 1 by F. So we required V by 1 value. That's why we minus 6.67. It is having in centimeters. So the characteristics of that real and inverted image is formed. But go through the next problem. So which mirror? Convex mirror. So in the question what we are giving? First we are writing given data. A radius of curvature is given. So radius of curvature is equal to 3 centimeters. 3 meter is given. And the rear view mirror vehicle, if bus is located 5 meter from this mirror. So it is nothing but object distance. So object distance is equal to 5 meters they will give it. And find the position of nature and size of the image. So here V is equal to we are finding. So we know the which convex mirror or concave mirror? Convex mirror. So we know the formula of mirror formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So according to sign convention of convex mirror, so here we are taking U is equal to minus and F is equal to focal length we are taking positive and another one is V is equal to if it is plus, that is which one are erect. Which one are erect. So from these values we are substituting here. 1 by F means here R is given, so no need to formula. There is no formula R. That's why you know relation between the R is equal to 2F. R is equal to 2F. So R is equal to how much? 3. 3 is equal to 2F. Then F is equal to 3 by 2. So F is equal to 3 by 2. So here we are substituting here. F is equal to 1 by F. F is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by U. U value 5 and plus V value similarly as it. According to convention law, V value how we are taking plus, F value plus, V value minus. So here simplify this one. 1 by V is equal 1 by V is equal to, it is a reciprocal. So it is nothing but 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So LCM is here 3 5 is LCM 15. 15 it will go 3 times. 3 5 are. So 3 5 are. 5 to the 10 plus it will go 3 times. 3 1 the 3. So how can we get that numerator value? and denominator value. So numerator is here. So finally we are obtained that value V is equal to what we get 1.15 meters. 1.15 meters. Then finally V is equal to 1.15 meters we are obtained. So here we are V image distance we are getting positive. Positive, that is characteristics visual and erect. That is the characteristics of convex mirror. So what is the characteristics of concave and convex mirror? So it is the characteristics of finally we are obtaining the concave mirror, real and inverted. So in the convex mirror, visual and erect is formed. Okay. So this is based on very important problems.